VLOOKUP is very simple. Okay, it is used to see some value from a table, from a different table. I'll let you know how. For example, let us say I am selling few products. Okay, like products. Okay, so I'm selling, let's say, shoes. I'm selling laptop. I'm selling dress. Okay, I'm selling mobile. I'm selling notebook. Okay, and I'm selling water bottle. Okay, so these are the few items that I'm selling, and their price, let's say something, let us say their code is something like, let us leave the code. Okay, now let us assume that their price is, for shoes, it is 2,500, laptop is for 35,000, dress is for 1,200, mobile is for 13,500, notebook is for 65 rupees, water bottle is for 15 rupees. Okay, so these are different items and these are the prices. Okay, so now I want, this is my table. Okay, I wanted to create some more columns in this table. Insert, like, let me give some code to them. Okay, and their code is this, for this the code is this, something. Right. Yeah, so you'll come to know why I have created unnecessarily this column. Okay. So now, when, let us say, when we are doing shopping, right, and in any of the website online shopping, so how does it take the values? Okay, so they have a this kind of a table in the back end. Okay, and whatever value, whatever thing I select, I choose. Okay, they will take the price of that and add it. Okay, for example, this is my card. My card, I am taking this item, the quantity, okay, and the total price, right? Okay. So if I'm buying shoes, okay, so I should get here price 2,500, right? Okay. I should get 2,500. So how do we get it? Now, if I'm buying, if I change shoes to laptop, so it is changing. So whenever we do manual, it doesn't change. So we want to have an automated system. Okay, so we'll try to create like that. So let us try it here first. Shoes. Okay, so I want the price for the shoes to come here. So for that we can use VLOOKUP. So V means okay, so this is useful. VLOOKUP will be useful for the vertical tables. If my table is horizontal type, then I have to use HLOOKUP. Okay, so what we do, any formula will start with equals, and I will say V. Okay, so I click on this function VLOOKUP. As see, by chance if you forget any of the function or any of the formula, you don't have to worry, because as soon as we write, they give us what I have to enter. So they are saying lookup value. So what is my lookup value? I want the computer to look this value, shoes value, right? Right, in the table. So then that is the lookup value. I'll put comma. Then they are saying table array. So in which table it has to look this value for shoes. So I can just select this table. Okay, so I have collected table value also, then comma, then they're saying column index number. So that means I want to tell them which column number now it has to see or refer. So after referring shoes, it will, I want it to refer to the prices. Okay, so I want, this is the first column, second column, third column. So I want computer to look for the third column. Okay. I will say 3. This means that what I'm telling my computer to look in this table, to look for the item shoes, and corresponding to that item shoes, it should look the third value, third column, first, second, and third. Okay, so I read this. Then Now they are saying range lookup. So I want approximate match or exact match. Okay, so we will go for exact match.
Okay, yeah.
Right. So I will just close this and enter. So see, I got 2,500. Right.
Yes.
Now let us check if I have done it correct. So instead of shoes, if I'm buying a dress, see, it automatically got changed. 1,200.
Okay.
Right. So because I wanted to tell you the importance, because when you are having a table, right, we will have different columns. So I wanted to add one more column, so I just added this product code. Right.
Okay.
Right. So that was the reason why I added product code. Right. Now let us see how it will show in our item. So whatever item I write here, okay, let us say shoe, SHOES. Okay, I'm buying shoes. Okay, and what I want. Okay. So I will apply here VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, let us just practice. Okay, what is my lookup value? It is my this, right? B16 in this case. And okay, fine. So we are looking for this value. Then again, comma, table range. I will just select this, right? Then comma, then column index number. It is 3. And then comma, if I want approximate match, but I will choose exact match, right? And then it is, I will just close it and enter, I get this. Now, see, if I increase the quantity, what I can do is 2, if I'm buying 2, so my total price, I can use my another formula, total price, right? How do we calculate? It will be very simple. It will be equals to this into this, right? We can write some, close the bracket, but I will get direct, right? So that means I will be getting 5. I have to pay 5,000 rupees. Now let us see if I change my item, what happens. Now I'm buying a mobile, and so the price for one mobile is 13,500. So my total price, everything gets automatically changed. Right. So in this way, we are generally using this VLOOKUP formula, okay, along with other formulas. Okay, generally, it's not like that one thing we are using. We use a lot of things to get what we want, right, depending on our requirement. So in this case, I just gave you an example how we get cart. Okay, we can also, I will also like to add one more thing. We can add this thing if I want to get all the list of the products here. Okay, so if I want to choose, how can I create that? I will just delete this for some time. Okay, and I will go to data and go to data validation only. Okay, I will click on data validation. So now I will tell you more about data validation later, but right now I just want a drop down value. So that is why I'm just showing you. I will say allow list. Okay, I will choose list. Okay, so now there I have to tell if I'm saying a list. So what is the list? So I have to choose the source. So I will click here, and what is my source? This is my source, right? And just enter. Okay, and I will say okay. So when I do this, so I will get this. So now I can choose that, okay, I bought water bottle, 1 number or 10 in number, and I will come to know how much I have to pay.
Okay.
So this way we can just use it, and this is a small thing that will help us to just do our calculation or other things wherever you can use it.
Okay. Yeah.
Fine.
Data
now,
validation and
yes, VLOOKUP. What we have done actually in this thing, we have combined our VLOOKUP, data validation, and using a formula also, for example, to get a total price, right? So so we have combined 3 things. So as I told you, generally we'll be combining a lot of things for what we want. First we practice, then I will give you more details of data validation.